Well. Legacy Wealth Society market makers and Legacy Wealth Society and YouTube, good morning. We're back once again, Thursday, April 23rd. We're going to see what we get from the markets today. Are we going up? Are we going down? Who knows today? We hit all-time highs yesterday, and anything's possible today. So today, for me personally, I'm only trying to base hit. I need to put in two accounts like $300 to get them funded. And then I'm going to keep rotating through other accounts as well. But listen, if you want to win at trading, you have to understand we're doing this consistently each and every day, not a short-term thing. So when you already have the mindset that you're going to put your time in and come back each and every day, you'll start to see the results because you're no longer rushing. I realized yesterday, I had an epiphany that a lot of us traders, we fail because we want to just rush. But if you want the real results, you got to slow on down at the end of the day. If you're not rushing, that's when you get the results. When you are rushing with trading, could you win? 100%. But you'll have a whole lot more losers, just so you know. At 9:25, I'll give you where all the VWAP, everything like that's at. I already got my lines on the chart ready. We got news today at 9:45. News at 9:45 today. So keep that in mind. So I already wait the first 15 minutes. And with news at 9:45, that makes it a little bit easier to wait as well. Because what I've noticed, when we got 9:45 news, the market gets real crazy sometimes. I ain't trying to be dealing with crazy today. Did everyone have a good day yesterday? Hopefully all you guys did. Let me know in the chat if you had a winning day, losing day. So green or red. Let me know if you're green or red yesterday. Because today it's a clean slate. If yesterday was a red day for you, today could be green. Just follow your own rules. That's all you gotta do here. Okay. Hey, it happens to all of us sometimes. But the fact that you came back ready to execute once again, you're already winning. Trust me on that. I woke up today feeling like on edge. Woke up feeling like I was on the edge today. I did not like the feeling. So I had some Hillsong playing this morning, just trying to like woo-saw, everything like that. So that definitely is going to have me waiting for the A++ setups today. Because after the stream today, I have a crazy busy day till about 7 p.m. today. So, oh Nellies, that's all I'm saying. Oh Nellies. I have multiple meetings today for one of my businesses offline. I gotta get with my trainer, work out. I gotta run around town. I gotta pick up the kit. I got too much stuff today. And then I have a meeting at 6:30. Because they're on the West Coast. Hey, BP's awake before market open. That's crazy. Morning Niner. I have a meeting with the people that handle the app for us for the Legacy Wealth Society. Because I guess our community is growing in such a way they want to schedule a meeting to see how they can help. Because we're outpacing a lot of other communities that they already have on their platform. That's my 6:30 meeting. So they're going to show me the white label app, everything like that. So we're going to check that out today. And we're just getting everything dialed, boys. Which is crazy because for me, I don't feel like the community is crazy big yet. But for them, hey, you guys grew like very fast. so far. So a voice chat and screen sharing. Good morning, Travis. Hey, Travis, listen, we've all been there. We've all blown multiple accounts. If someone that trades prop firm says they never blown an account, they're BSing, bro. Don't listen to them. Hey, did he blow all 10 in one day or just over the past couple days? For everyone on YouTube, good morning. Welcome, welcome. You're live with myself and the Legacy Wealth Society Market Makers. We're going to try printing some money today, and it's 925, 926. I got to give you guys all the stats real quick. So our current VWAP, the volume weighted average price, is down at 985.75. 985.75. My 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart, 27,016.50. 27,016.50. We got a pivot point in between us. That VWAP in that 21 at 26,99025. Close from yesterday, 106. Crazy to freaking say. Crazy to say we went all the way up to 27,106. But we did. So we're going to see what we get. We got a pivot point above that at 25250. 25250 above that close from yesterday. Let's look below us, see what we got below us here. That pivot below us looks a little bit possible. 26,84425. We're just patiently waiting. We got news at 10 o'clock today. 9:45, excuse me. 9:45 news today. So don't be in trade at 9:45. That's all I'm saying. Over the past 2 weeks. Okay. Trav, have you been doing the strategy to the T, or you dabbling with your own stuff, bro? Because if you cycle through 10 accounts, right? If you cycle through 10 accounts, my thing for you would be honestly slow down and you gotta baby step it. So I know you can make $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 in a day. I know you're a wild man. But honestly, slow step it. So 200 or 500 bucks a day. You hit that target, you quit for the day. And then you come back, and that will build your discipline and your consistency. For all the Legacy members that are under the Founders Plan, Market Makers Plan, or any of the paid tiers, we're having a training on Tuesday. Going over my full strategy live with you guys, 7 p.m. in the community, only for the paid members and the founders. It's not that your expectation is too high, right? Because once you see how much you can print, it gets tempting. Like you have a $15,000 day, $10,000 a day. You're like, I want that every day, right? But you have to understand we're doing this long term, not short term. So shoot for, like I said, 200, we'll say to 1,000 a day. You hit that, and then you get offline.
Offline, online.
What's up, Steve? Good morning, sir.
What's shaking, baby?
Another day in paradise, brother.
That's it.
Good morning. When you get offline here on YouTube, is that the end of your live trading session? Yes. As soon as the stream ends, that means I'm done trading.
Well, except when it's not, but we're not going to talk about that.
I don't know what Steve's talking about. We got less than a minute. Well, 5 seconds for market open. 5 seconds, boys. Here we go. There's market open. Went right down to that pivot point.
No, but my man Dwayne, like 99, 98%, 96% of the time, 95% of the time, he is off after the thing. Sometimes he circles back.
There is sometimes where I do circle back on trades that I would not want anybody watching to follow me on 100%.
Yeah,
But that's rare. That's only like once every like 2 weeks.
And full disclosure, if he does, he says the next day. So he'll tell you. Like yesterday, I took some trades.
And I tell you if they were good or bad. Fix the issue. Hey, Niner, glad you got that fixed, bro. Have any of you guys ever woken up just feeling like on edge? Like that's how I woke up today. I did not like the feeling. So I had to throw on some Hillsong United, you know what I'm saying? Like getting some praise worship, you know what I'm saying? Meditate, everything like that. So I could get the mind right. Because if the mind ain't right, you can't trade right. I think I was like just anxious because today's a long day for me. What are you doing, kiddo? What's going on? What are you doing? After I'm done streaming, can I play with you? Come here. Give me a huggy. Oh. Yes, once I'm done streaming, we'll play and then I'll have to start running around, okay? Alright. I have to run around town. I gotta go all over the day. I have meetings today. Wait, can I get back to the stream? When you let your kids stay home and they're just trying to crash the party. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Hey, so did you I caught like the end of your story when I logged on to the live stream. What was the deal with that Tradeify thing? Did they ever get it fixed?
So the dashboard hadn't updated yet. My dashboard hadn't updated. It has updated. So I made too much money. I made too much money yesterday. So today I had to make $300 to get the consistency so it's passed.
Gotcha.
So I'll actually shoot for like 400 because I've been copy trading those accounts. And like one of them needs like $400. So I'll just make $400 to target for the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
On that base hit. Rob said F yeah. Yeah, so we've all felt on edge before. And my recommendation when you feel on edge, bro, do whatever pulls you back to that inner peace, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? Because you do not want to trade feeling on edge. Like yesterday, my trainer, he's like, oh, I'm thinking about switching some things up next month for you. Like possible in the mornings, like you go for like half-mile walk. I'm not going to do it. He's like, why not? I'm like, because every time I work out before trading, I feel like I'm on edge and I'm anxious. I am not messing with the money. He's like, oh, yeah, we don't want to do that. Yep, never mind.
So you can walk after trading, John Turkey.
Yeah, but he wanted me to do it like first thing in the morning fasted. I'm like, bro, I'm not going to do it. I was just transparent. I'm not trying to mess with my money.
Hey, do we have any news today, brother?
We have news at 9:45. We got news at 9:45 a day.
Good. Maybe it'll slow this thing down. It's moving so fast, man.
Oh yeah, Steve. Man, this thing is ripping right now, boys.
Not gonna lie, it feels like I woke up and I was like really stressed out, and then somebody like smoked a blunt in front of me and I'm high. This thing is moving so slow. I've never smoked it, but I've read about it, so that's kind of what it is.
Understood. If a trader has $10,000 in a trading account, legit $10,000, and it only ends the year at $10,000 net profit, that's so you didn't lose money, so that's a win. Right now, we're going sideways, slightly consolidating here. We got news at 9:45, so the market may just be waiting for that. We got 10 more minutes for that. And we're going to see what we get. Steve, I'm not sure if you're in here. We're going to have a training on Tuesday, 7 p.m. We're going over the strategy with some of the builders, everything like that. And all of the market makers and founders are welcome to tune in for that training at 7 p.m. on Tuesday.
Oh, I heard 7 p.m.
Yep, 7 p.m. on Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday, good, because like 7 p.m. today is like band concert.
No, not today. And this isn't something that you have to be a part of. I'm just letting all the founders know what we got going on Tuesday.
On Tuesday at 7, man. That's totally cool. That's usually I'm just kind of doing my intro checks, and so it's totally. I'm stoked. I'm excited.
He's stoked. He's excited, folks. Oh man, what a range for the day so far. Less than 100-point range for the day as of right now. I'm just ready to execute. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to execute. And I'm ready to get some sleep. I don't know. This week I have not been sleeping well. Past 2 nights in a row, I've just tossed and turned. I'm not sure why. I don't like the feeling. Niners. So, hey, we all can answer it differently. Looking like, I can't even call it out. We're above that 21 EMA. It's looking like a little bull flag there, but maybe we get some more structure above that 21 EMA before it pushes up. But as long as we stay above that 21 EMA, I'll be looking for that bull flag. Come on, Betsy. Come on, 9:45. Let's drop this news so we can get the day going. This is nothing but consolidation right now. All right, starting to move up a little bit off that bull flag. Okay. We likey. I didn't make this smaller, so that could be bigger. I am thinking that I'm actually going to finally finish my build up here. Because I need some more screens just so I can have the chat pulled up. So I can have full screens of a couple charts. I think it's time, boys. I've been procrastinating. Because I ain't trying to mess anything up. The way I've been doing it is working. You know what I'm saying? Man, that bull flag paying some folks. Yeah, I need to finish this. This is lemon water with salt. Not delicious. I will say that. Not delicious. All right, we got 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes here for this range to be completed. I have a feeling that the low of this range at 96525 is going to be the low for the range today. I'm saying that because we got that 21 EMA, the pivot, and the VWAP. Like, that's a lot to get through in 5 minutes. So I am making assumptions. We're not going to go down there right now. So 96525 is the low for the 15-minute range currently, and that should stand. Did everyone see that pump and dump yesterday for the Asian session? That's pretty wild. It happened around like 8:10. Craziness. It caught you? Oh, sorry to hear that. What was that?
So what's going on?
Oh, Mr. BP. I didn't see the name pop up. I just heard a rumbling voice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What was that? Yeah, I'm okay, bud. My kid asking if I'm okay. Like, I haven't taken trade yet. Yeah, I'm okay. BP, what's your thoughts on today, bro? Where are we going? I'm gonna lean on your expertise today.
Let's see. Actually, I need to turn on some indicators. Give me a second.
Rhonda, trade what works for you. If the overnights aren't working for you, don't trade them. If they are working for you, trade them. For me, I don't like trading the overnights. It moves too slow for me. But for some of you guys may like that. Then stick to those. Let's see if we build a flaggy flag right here. We got news in 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes now. 2 minutes now for the news to drop. 2 minutes for the news to drop here. I'm just trying to get this 32 ounces down right now. This is rough. You were looking right at it? Oh, man. Yeah, when I jumped on the stream last night, I'm like, what is this? Because that was an aggressive dump. And then the instant pump, which was wild. Like, someone insider trading right there. 100%. Because the Asian session doesn't get like moves like that. All right, 1 more minute for news. 1 more minute for news. I highly recommend you not being in a trade when this news drops. Because who knows how the market is going to react. Caught some crumbs last night, Warrior. Good morning, sir. Hey, at least you caught something, bro. All right, 10 seconds for news. 10 seconds for news here. 5 seconds. There's the news. There's the news. All right, remember the 96525 is the low for the range. The high of this range is 27,068. 27,068 right on the dot.
And I am back.
Hey, he's back, folks.
I made myself a duck egg omelet.
Nice. I had 4 ounces of egg whites, 2 eggs on some toast this morning for my breakfast.
Yeah, well, you know, I have the flock, so they're laying, and the duck eggs are the most delicious thing, and you wouldn't even believe. So, oh my god.
I'm going to take your word for it. Let's see if we get this bull flag here. I am cleared to trade.
What level of protein do you achieve with you said duck eggs?
Oh yeah, they're actually Muscovy ducks, so the duck eggs are like the size of goose eggs, so mega protein.
Dang.
So
Might
you
get
end
yourself
up,
some ducks, Duane.
but I mean the thing is like I know chefs, and like, you know, when I used to work they would take all they could get, because you put them in like recipes and they'll blow your mind. Like if you make pancakes with them or whatever you put the egg in, it's like so amazing. It's like a different. It tastes like so smooth and like creamy, like in those recipes. What's up, Big P?
Doing pretty good.
All right, first hit for the day, 250 on 2 accounts right there. We just broke out of that 15-minute range as well. I did close out. Now I need less than $200 to get these two fully funded here. I closed because as soon as we broke out that 15-minute range, I know what we like to do. We like to pull back to it before we continue. So I'm trying to play safe today.
Well, that's good. I mean, playing safe is like a good idea.
But we had that bull flag. We had the push. That's why I took that trade.
We're seeing somewhat of a, well, hopefully we'll get a confirmation to go up, because all right.
Yeah, I would like the next candle to be a red candle to give us some structure for another bull flag to take us higher. There we go. That's what I want to see. Let's pull it down just a little bit more personally. Give us some structure here. And then as soon as we get that momentum for the bull flag, executing. Oh, well, it just ran without us. Come, we're going to go to that close from yesterday, 106.50, 106.50. We got that 100 level as well. So we know how the market gets very special on whole numbers like that.
Oh, yeah. Like last night, it was hanging out for a while.
Also, that 100 level, I think, is Asia high.
Yep, the 150. Good job, Niner. Have a good one, bro. He did 206 base hit. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Listen, folks, it does not take a lot to make money at trading. Stop swinging for the fence. Do base hits, and you'll actually see results.
Well, you know, I mean, if you're consistent and you're not getting stuck up with, like, I mean, consistency is key. You know, it's like anything. It's like working out. You know, I mean, you don't have to lift the heaviest weights to start and kill yourself, because if you get the proper form and you get the consistency, you're going to go up and destroy everybody.
Yep. The consistency is key. The consistency is key. Trying to see how this is going to play out right here. Want to see some more momentum here. I want to stay above the high of that 15-minute range if I'm looking for a long here. Come on, Betsy. What are you going to do, girl? Don't go down to that 15-minute range high.
Don't you think about that?
Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
It's just like a child, Wayne.
Oh, there she goes. Not listening like a child. There you go. Alrighty. Well, that negates the flag I was looking for. So.
Yeah, but you know what? The market always repeats itself, so we're going to get another flag. We just wait.
Bull's trying to push the price up slightly here, but that was an aggressive drop pullback right there.
Well, to be completely honest with you guys, like when it's ever like it, when it's touching the top like this on the extreme upper end, I always get nervous because you know, it's like you're kind of waiting for that, you know, like that return, like that mellowing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you don't want to get caught.
Definitely not.
Yeah, you want to shoot it for the moon, and there goes the waterfall.
Travis caught that little pullback, 953. Be done, Travis. Be done for the day, bro. Remember, base hit, and that's your base hit for the day. We're above the 15-minute range. Thank you, Travis. I appreciate you taking my advice, bro. Being done with trading for the day. Lock that profit in. Come back tomorrow. That's it. Like, I'm so tempted to click the button because that's looking like a flag right there, but geez, I need some more momentum.
Momentum is hitting different today. It's kind of reminding me of, there was like a point at like 10, 15 where it kind of sped up.
Yeah.
And just kind of had like a little run, and that's what it's feeling like tempo-wise to me right now. It doesn't feel like we're on a stream right now.
Yeah, it's not fast today. It's not fast. We do have that selling wick on that 2-minute. You know my rule. I don't buy into selling wicks, and I don't short into buying wicks.
That candle's going back and forth like two fat motherfuckers fighting over the last pork chop. Thank you, BP, for giving me some confirmation. I guess Duane.
I giggled too. I did giggle. I giggled. What's this thing trying to do right here? That looks like a baby bear flag.
Baby bear. Baby bear. Where's your doodles? That's how I know. That's how I see in your mind.
That's how I see your mind.
Oh, I could see you're in a trade.
I did jump in.
I wanted to take a long, but yeah, we just didn't get confirmation for longs until I feel like we have to get above 80.
Yeah, and Duane is taking a short. He's counting on the waterfall.
Well, we didn't get bullish confirmation yet, so I'd be betting more on waterfall too.
I'm not looking for a waterfall here.
Hey, you'll take
base
one.
hit.
Oh yeah, but because he only needs a couple, because he's doing his he's gonna be back. Well, I gotta make more money tomorrow because of my consistency.
There we go. There's the $400. Let me make sure that I copy it across both accounts. All right, so looks like we did it. Let me just confirm, just to make sure on my trading view or Tradeify account. But we will gladly take that. So what account number said? 90. View details. All right, so that one's good. And that one's good. Perfect. So those are done.
Good.
And now I'm going to rotate over to Lucid. Rotate to the Lucid account. There we go. And we keep the party going. Appreciate you, forecaster. We're here all week. We do this every single day, just base hitting. Base hitting has changed my trading dramatically. It has helped me slow down, enjoy the process, and consistently win each and every day.
And protect the capital.
And protect the capital. I right here is where the area I want to see is build another bear flag. I want to see a bear flag get printed here. Since we did get below that 21 EMA.
There's a Camarillo pivot right there, like the second support, and it's kind of the wick touched it.
Okay.
So, like I use those, like I say, on my overnight, but they're still on the chart. So sometimes it acts like a traditional pivot point. Excuse me.
Well, appreciate you calling that out. What's up, OTK? Welcome back. Been a little bit, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, brother.
And we got about 2 minutes and 45 seconds until 10 o'clock, just the FYI.
Hey, Steve coming out, calling out the plays today. The Camarillo pivots. Then the time. Man, he's keeping us dialed today, boys. Thank you, Steve.
And then no problemo.
How bad do you think I'm going to get smoked if I try to go long right now?
I would not go long right now. As a brother that loves you, BP, don't go long right now.
Well, I could actually. Well, wait, that's MES. Let me look at my chart and let me see, because I've been studying that.
I wouldn't have taken longs anyway. The candle didn't close where I needed it to.
Yeah, I was looking at. I could see your methodology, but like you said, you have to kind of. It's below the EMA. Well,
like for
my EMA.
Yep. For me, we're trading the Nasdaq. I want to see a bear flag get printed. If you're trying to take the long of the structure of the bear flag, it's a little bit more risky, but doable. But I feel like we're going to go and test that VWAP below the middle of the 15-minute range here.
The 1 minute printed a bear flag.
The 1 minute did? Yep, that did. Yep. All right, just touch the middle of that 15-minute range there. Just touch that middle of the 15-minute range.
There's something we don't do. What is it again?
We don't diddle in the middle. So 27,016.50 is the middle of the 15-minute range. And the VWAP is at 999.50. 999.50. Yes, trading the Nasdaq, brother.
99.99. Delantia. Come today. Put your payment down. 99.99.
If we get through the middle of this 15-minute range, your boy may be more inclined to do something again. Who knows?
Good morning, boys.
Hey, Mr. Mitchell, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you guys doing?
Another day in paradise, bro.
Hey, let's go.
Just trying to live the dream. That's it.
I hear that. What's new? You got any updates in life lately?
Well, I just ate a duck egg omelet. My ducks are laying eggs, so that's pretty cool. And then BP will be happy to know I put air conditioning back in my truck because I got the compressor back, so she's good to go.
All right. Well, we just lost that middle of that 15-minute range like it wasn't even sitting there. And there we go, tapping that freaking VWAP. Who called it? I wasn't expecting that quick. I was expecting a bear flag. So that's why I'm not too excited about that drop. Just being honest.
I jumped in on that trade. I jumped in. I made like 2 something. 1, 2 trades
Hey.
on that drop.
Green is green, Playboy. Green is green.
Oh, so his new name is Playboy. I have to write that one down.
Why don't you sell down? Well, I did. I already made money. And now I'm waiting for the next move. Just because it's falling does... Who's trying to catch a falling knife? You know what I'm saying? Like, I need my confirmations to take another short. I don't care if it continues waterfall. Until I see a bear flag print, I'm not going to chase the market. Most traders, they try chasing, and then they wonder why they get chopped up. Because they're chasing. The move already happened. I called the move.
See if they come test this 5 gap. Maybe we continuation short. We didn't want to be shorting on top.
I hear like a weird thing.
Yeah, I muted them.
Hey, so 1 minute is showing a baby bear.
I'm looking at that one.
I mean, I know that you don't like the lower time frames per se, but I'm watching. Think it's gonna translation station.
We're at this pivot point. I dropped down to the 1 minute. We're looking for any type move right now. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you could do smaller trades, but for me personally, I do what's worked for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know when I chase the market, I end up losing money. There's that bear flag on that 1 minute. I may have to keep the 1 minute pulled up right now. Haven't really traded on the 1 minute in quite a while. Back above that pivot. I'm trying to get these 2 Lucid accounts funded as well. And then next week, I'm going to do 2 more sets of accounts to get them funded because I'm doing them two at a time right now. And then I'll be fully funded with Tradeify and Lucid. And I have 11 PA accounts we'll be trading as well next. I may trade them next week. We'll see. I've been waiting for May. To trade them. Because I'm going for the biggest payouts of my trading career in the month of May. North of $20,000. Can I get an account, please? Oh, you gotta come for the giveaways. Maybe I'll do a giveaway this weekend. Who knows?
Who knows?
Well, that's another eval pass, boys, right there on that push back up.
Hey, let's go, Mitch.
Now I just got 2 more days to actually trade the minimum days that take profit requires, but
Okay.
other than that, we passed. So
What
I
made
like the plurality of that.
What made you go with TPT? Just curious.
I've been using them since like January.
Okay.
But honestly, it was just the no fee, the not activation fee for my situation for being here and now not actually being able to have a job to like keep buying, and paying subscription fees for everything else. I had to kind of be strategic about that and try to pass the evals quickly, but also not have to pay more than I wanted to pay for stuff,
No, of course.
So with that, that's why I chose them, because I did have Lucid, but I blew those fundeds like right off the bat. But I was also like 2 months into my trading journey, so that was pretty self-explanatory.
It happens. Listen, I've blown multiple accounts when I was trying to learn. So
yeah, so yeah, that's where we at. But that's why I chose them. But also just the daily payouts in the sense of where that's at. Obviously, I would love to get back to Lucid once I make some more money, of course, and then go from there.
Okay. No, that's Take Profit's a solid firm. Tradeify does have the daily payouts as well now.
Yeah, see, I do know that and everything else. I just kind of stuck with this for the time being because it's what I had at the moment. And later on, of course, I've been planning on trading back to Lucid and then keeping Take Profit Trader as just like a rinse repeat kind of daily payouts thing. And for consistency purposes, of course, to get that down, having Lucid because you know how they operate with their consistency. But correct me if I'm wrong. They do. What's their payout cycle now with the pro accounts? I forgot.
With the pro accounts or the flex accounts?
Either or. Isn't one of them switching to daily payouts, or did I just misread that?
Honestly,
or is it still on the minimum 5 days before a payout thing?
Yeah, I do the flex account, so those are the 5 days for the payout.
Yeah, okay.
The pro account may be a little bit less. I don't know off the top of my head, but I'll pull up their website here in a couple minutes.
Okay.
Because I think I see a potential bear flag, possibly, but we're at the middle of this 15-minute range.
Yeah,
Where
we're
we,
right at the middle, diddle.
yeah, and we ain't going to diddle.
Yeah, I'll get a rejection up there at the top, right here.
We got to get below the pivot point for me to take the short. When would you live in? 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. Eastern. All right, we're coming down to that pivot. There's the pivot touch. Want us to lose that pivot for me to be able to take the short. Come on. All right, back above that VWAP. And that's okay, right? The whole point of putting the lines on the chart, you have to honor it, right? So I tell myself, if we don't break through my yellow line with follow through, I can't take the short. And that simple little switch keeps me out of trades from getting chopped up and losing money. It's all about protecting capital. What time frame? This is the 2 minute, the 5 minute with Renko bars up top.
The way I have my charts, I can do a 1 minute, a 2 minute, and a 5 minute. Or I can go between instruments like at night if I'm doing like a longer term thing.
Okay. Let me double check. I think we got some 1030 news today as well. Let me pull it out to confirm.
Confirmation pending.
Journal, economic calendar. Yeah, so we got 1030 news, 11 o'clock news, and 1130 news. And 1 o'clock news. So.
Everything.
So I check my news on my economic calendar in my Tradeify journal. How did you find the pivot point? You literally just go to your indicators, turn on your pivot point standard, and that's what it is. Very simple.
Damn, you don't have to be that simple. Jeez. D-Bob laying down the law.
All right, we're pushing up towards this 21 EMA. The EMA is sitting currently at 27,032.5, 27,032.5 area. It's like wiggling. It's going up and down. So the price is going up and down. So that's why I said area.
Yes.
We get above that 21 EMA. I'll be looking for a nice little bull flag to take us back to the high of the 15-minute range here. We are above the middle of the 15-minute range. So, reminder, don't diddle in the middle. I know it's tempting to try taking a trade right in the middle of the 15-minute range, please don't. Save yourself the headache and save your money.
The 5-minute is looking like one hell of a bear flag.
Yeah, that's an interest. I don't like those buying wicks.
I understand. We don't short into buying wicks, Dwayne. I'm just pointing out the structure.
No, Raven, definitely make sure you have those pivot points turned on, your VWAP and your EMA, whichever one you prefer, 21, 9, whichever 100. I use the 21 EMA because the market likes to respect it. So we're below the middle of the 15-minute range here. On that 2 minutes, definitely looking like a little flaggy flag there. But in order for me to be able to take a short, I have to get below that pivot.
Yeah, well, you're not moving your doodle. That's another thing. Because some people will be like, I made a doodle, I'm going to keep edging it up.
Nope.
Right? Look at him. He's not even looking. He's touching it, but he actually moved it down.
I moved it down for extra safety. Yeah, you saw that.
I'm back.
Oh, thank God BP's back, finally. Our captain's back, folks. Our captain's back.
Hey, Captain, I got my air AC compressor back on my truck, so I put it in, so I'm ready for the heat now.
Nice.
And then I also put like a 14-inch fan on the radiator, so it really pull through that condenser because we're Florida, baby.
Yeah, you definitely need some good airflow.
Yeah, so, I mean, just to add a rest, so it's gonna be beautiful later. So I thought you'd be happy with that.
And actually, I'm gonna need to get my AC service for my house. Just thinking about it because.
Oh yeah, well it's the time. There's like a guy that I know he'll go in and do like a deeper cleaning than I can, so I'm going to have him come through.
Yeah, make sure that thing's dialed because last year for the summer, my AC went out. It was horrible.
Well, the thing is too, it's like there's that one day hits and it's pretty much it's like it turns on and it doesn't turn off forever. So.
All right, we missed that pivot by like a tick. We missed that pivot by a tick right there.
It's thinking about it though.
We got a lot of buying pressure down here, so that's why I'm not like overly excited.
Now the doodle's actually off the screen.
No, it's not. It's still there.
No, these are the jokes. You mind?
These are the jokes. You mind? Yeah, I want to get below my yellow line for me to want to take a short. That whole area has a lot of buying pressure, and that's what I'm not trying to get involved with. If I'm trying to take a short.
I just don't know what to expect at this moment. I came back to the charts just to see like the Dow running and then everything else is just dumping.
Yeah, I've seen that a lot lately, BP. I was like, yesterday, I was like, what in the world?
Let's get through this pivot. Come on, Betsy.
Let's get into the
because this is looking like a nice bear flag on that 2 minute. All right, there's the pivot. Let's see if we get follow through here. Come on.
Come on, drop, baby, drop.
If we get above the pivot, I'll close this just to protect capital here. Let's see if we reject off of that. We did not reject.
It's a nice bull flag on the Dow. Foreman.
They're about to trade places. The Dow's gonna come down, and NQ and ES are gonna go up.
It's like Dirty Dancing on the charts, and I'm not into movies. I just want to make some money. Come on. Now maybe the NQ is gonna race up and say, "Hey, wait for me."
Rob, well, that would be ideal.
I'm okay with that.
So we tap that 21 EMA there. Let's see if we get the rejection off of it. We're right in the middle of this 15-minute range as well. I'll probably get ready to kill this because we don't diddle in the middle.
Yeah, we were like dead in the middle. Says we have more news in like fucking 12 minutes.
Yeah, we got news at 12:30. Not 12:30. 10:30. 10:30.
Well, the way you were saying it might be because you're like news at 10:30, 11, 11:30, 12, 12:30, 1, 1:30. It's like, okay, try to set an alarm. It's like, what?
Pretty much.
Is it like real news or is it like the news is that
It's yellow folder.
Okay.
Might not be
Because some
real
of them
news.
Yeah, because like there's news. There was news that at 10:03, and that was when BP walked outside to walk his dog. So it was important. However, it didn't really move the market. So
My bad. I need to make bigger plays. The market will move.
Come on, Betsy. Give me the full flush. We're right at my yellow line once again.
if you're in a public bathroom and you hear that, you just leave. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we definitely want to see price come down and close below like 990.
I was thinking like 988, but yeah, I'm just looking at like what I had charted, but definitely get down there.
Yeah,
For, like,
music
100%,
ended.
Probably would want it to pass like 85. For like slight confirmation, the 90.
Yeah.
It did not confirm on ES at all though. It like held up.
Let's see where's my
We'll see. We'll see. We still gotta like try to push through more resistance. Which right now it's bouncing off of, so that's good.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Want us to get through this pivot. If we start going the opposite direction, I'll just kill it.
Hey, Dwayne, I've recently been investing heavily into penny stocks.
Okay.
It just seems to make a lot of sense.
I knew there was going to be something coming with that.
He's like, okay, what? Something's coming, that's what we know.
Yeah, we're consolidating right now.
The resistance is still holding so far, so it's just bouncing in between this 90.
And look at the Dow. The Dow's making new highs, man.
Yeah, the Dow is still pushing, but I guess while it's been pushing, we've pretty much just been consolidating. I guess all the volumes over there on the Dow right now, all the people are pushing Dow.
Pushing Dow.
Looking like another small bear flag inside this big old flag here. But we got to get below that pivot. Touch that pivot point. Longest trade of my life right now. I'm getting ready to kill this.
I didn't even realize you were still in a trade. Listen, no mega scalps, okay?
I killed that. Because we got that crazy buying wick. I'm not sitting with that.
This is about to flip the resistance.
Yeah.
This is the NQ Nasdaqs, Matt. Yeah, I'm sitting.
Yeah,
I'm not liking this
until we rip out of this zone.
Yeah, that's why I got it out. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna test this.
Chippity chop, 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 chop.
Yeah, I just been texting people on my phone.
I think right now we have like literally like just consolidating SMTs. But it would be nice to clear out the highs, and then it would just make us not want to be bearish anymore.
No, I could see that. Yo, the cool thing is, like, when BP talks, like, I'm getting more of, like, because I've been kind of practicing, and in the evening, and I'm getting what he's saying more. You know what I mean? Just like the flow, like intuitively.
Yeah.
Like I'm like the dumb cousin, so he's like, he's like doing trigonometry. I'm like, ugh. But you know, I mean, it's like I'm trying. Thank you, BP.
Thank you, BP.
No, I mean, just it's just learn a little bit every day. But it's like getting a feel for the charts is what I'm saying. If I want to be serious, but who wants to be serious?
We got news in less than 5 minutes now. Less than 5 more minutes. Yeah, right now we're just chopping. Chop City.
Chop City.
Let's see, maybe we get us a little flag. I don't know.
I'm just seeing.
Make 30.
I'm just seeing this like consolidation. I mean,
Yeah, we gotta get out of this little range that we're in right here.
Let's pop up, take out 30, and then there's no reason to be bearish anymore.
bear with me, okay, guys?
We got news in less than 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes for the 10:30 news. Those 5-minute candles are looking ugly.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Yeah. I'll be done when I'm done, kiddo. 30 minutes. What do you hear?
But remember, we got news at 11, so don't give them the strict thing, baby. All right, 2 minutes and 45 seconds till said news.
Huh?
What the hell?
No, I don't want you on the stream. But you can sit right over there.
We just cleared out the high.
Yeah. The Camarillo pivot is at 31, the second support.
Yeah, we're too close to the middle of this 15-minute range. Yeah, I see, bro. I see. We got news in less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes. Watch us do what I was expecting it to do when I got chopped. Will be slightly aggravating if it does it right before the news comes out.
You don't get aggravated, you get even. You'll just get the
No, I get aggravated. I do get. I'm a regular human being. I do get aggravated sometimes.
Oh my goodness, man! You're just like being a little difficult today. You just need to get that next trade to make you all happy again.
I'll try. I'm gonna possibly clean this one up. We're gonna see it. I gotta get the movement though here.
1 minute warning.
We're right now just between the VWAP and the 21 EMA. So there's really nowhere to go right now until we clear one of them with momentum.
The Dow might be easing down.
Yeah, we finally got like 3 solid red candles right there, huh?
That's just kind of. It's like like when I messaged you before. It's kind of fascinating to me when they diverge, the divergence, and so I'm just trying to like get some real time recon into that.
All right, less than 10 seconds here for the news. Less than 10 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go!
That news was very calm right there.
Hey, it's above the EMA. Just close above the EMA. Come on. Give it. Keep going, baby.
Daddy's not here right now, bud.
Are you talking to the candle?
No, my son. He said, Daddy. Oh, Daddy's not here right now, son. Duane, where did I tell you? Duane, I don't want to hear you right now, kiddo. I love you, but not trying to hear that.
Oh, I'm in this. Hold on, what?
Go NQ. Go take out 40, 50. I need to see 50 taken.
I'm in this Discord chat, and somebody just said, I long Spirit Airlines. I don't know why that cracks me up, but...
Well, just clean that up a little bit right there. I'll definitely take that. I'll try doing one more here, possibly, if we get the move. I want to see bull flag starting to print for confirmation here.
Agreed.
I'll take a bull flag because I didn't get my entry. I was trying to long off the breaker. I was at like
Duane,
23.
Go downstairs.
All right. Well, I took out that one area that I wanted to see taken, so that's good.
I'm sitting here like, man, I should have held, but it happens.
I
Okay,
think
you
that's
close green, right?
The next area that we got to go take out is 80. Because ES is already running up there.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Want to see another flag. For us to continue up, I want to see another flag here.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I definitely do. I definitely do.
Hey, does anybody here study book maps or order flow?
No.
I personally haven't really.
I definitely don't.
I've been trying to like learn, dude. That stuff is bugging my brain. Not gonna lie. I've seen the charts. I'm like, I don't even know what. I look at it. I'm just like,
Not the
My eyes are going like up and down, like the opposite direction of each other. I'm just like, nah, fam.
That's a
What?
crazy like visual that you just gave us.
Yeah, bro.
I'm contemplating that. It's like, wait.
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, I would love to like get better at reading that stuff. It's just, I don't know. It's gonna take some time.
I don't know, like in every trade, like when I was an Avid editor back when it was like, everybody wasn't just buying stuff, and I was working for broadcasting, there was like so much technical things. You could just go in these rabbit holes, and it was just like, you just find the plays that work for you. You know what I mean? It was just like,
Yeah, hold up. Did you say you used Avid to edit?
oh yeah, I was a linear
bro.
editor before that.
Dang. See, I never met anybody that actually used Avid, but all I heard is Avid's like the spot. You know, you got all the like the retail editing platforms, but like Avid was like the king of it all.
It was at the time. It definitely was.
Yeah.
And then before that, I was like doing the linear stuff, just cutting in my head and then like putting it with the decks. So
Right.
I go back, but It's good because I can visualize in my head like a project.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's like because I had to. You know, so kind of that's how I learned it.
Right. My old boss from when I worked at the university, he would tell me stories of when he would travel and they had all the film tapes and he had to go in and cut the tape and do all this stuff. I'm sitting there listening to like tell me the stories. I'm like, thank God I was born in a time I can just use technology, bro, because I would have been shocked. Like I wouldn't even consider that as an industry for me to go into. Now I was like, all right, no problem. Little click here, little click there.
The thing is, like modern editing is, you know, it's kind of too easy because you can just undo, you can save stuff. But other stuff, you're kind of like you go past a certain point, you're losing a generation, you have to go back. So it's you know, it taught you to be like. You know, like to be thoughtful in the process, I guess.
Oh, 100%. You really have to know how to tell a story.
Yeah, because if you know you can't just noodle around and throw a bunch of stuff against the wall unless you're making a bunch of doves, and that just becomes it's easier to conceptualize.
Yeah, most of the stuff out there today now is like stuff you see on social media. It's a lot of just people pull stuff together and post it with no thought.
No thought, and then like everything's a jump cut. That's like what drives me crazy. Like.
Yeah, there's no like.
I mean, it's like jump cuts are good for a reason, but it's almost become like a false aesthetic because it's like, but you know, I mean, so whatever. But
yeah, nah, dude, that's fire. Yeah.
And my kids, like, all of them kind of took post in school, and I was like, and so because they, you know, I kind of gave them the groundwork, so they enjoyed it. But I don't know if they'll ever go into doing it, but. That's what brought me to Florida. I was working on a show, so.
I was gonna say down here is prime opportunity for that kind of stuff.
I was working in Hollywood, and I came to Florida for a show, and I ended up staying. So.
Hey, look, I'd rather be here than Hollywood, anyways.
Well, yeah, I started a family, so I don't want to go back to that.
Did you get it, Duane? Did you get it?
I closed out. I didn't get the full thing. I got some off, but slightly annoyed that I didn't get the full crazy slippage on that one.
See, last time I looked, you're up to
protecting cap. Go ahead, Warrior. Protect that capital.
It looks like we can just be chopping our way back up there.
That was still a nice trade. It was a nice trade, but I didn't get the full thing of it because it pulled back right when I closed. So I only got $160 when I was up like 300, which is agginess. Wow. Right now, I'm just doing a little cleanup. Not trying to get all of it back. If I can, cool. But if I don't, it is what it is. Whew. Yeah, we're going to... I don't like that little pullback right there.
Little slight retest, you know?
Going right to the EMA.
Can you push me higher?
How do I only get $70 on that? That's crazy.
Hey man, them fees be taxing for real.
Oh, that's not even with the fees.
They be lagging. They're like, I think he wanted this, but we're gonna give him this instead.
We're right here at the middle of the 15-minute range. I'm hands off here, boys. I'm hands off at the middle.
I've seen a lot of hands on the mouse today, so prove it.
My hands are up. You know what I'm saying? My hands are up.
Wait, was that one on the right looked like a mannequin hand? Move the fingers. He's like, hey man, I'm still sore from yesterday, but you're not doing everybody. Damn, spoiled again. Hey Duane, today is like today is another big day for the lifts, man.
Get it done, bro. Love to see you moving that iron.
Yep, and I'm very proud of my son, man. He's coming up. He's like getting into some weight now. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I'm proud of him.
Yeah, once you get hooked on lifting, you can never lose that bug.
Well, yeah, and it's like because I mean, he's like figuring it out and he's learning. You got to get the form, and I'm big on that. But he's starting to feel that victory. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
Back below the 21 EMA right now. Now above it. At this point, I want to get below that VWAP. I need some like really good momentum right now to get me interested in taking another trade. Because even with my 430 loss, I'm still green for the day. But we're going to see if we get some more momentum. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Hopefully, I get to see all you guys there. It's a good old time. We're talking about the day, the markets, and literally everything. And it's a time for me to connect more with you guys on YouTube and some of my legacy members as well. It's our hangout. It's the Legacy Wealth Society hangout every single night. We're starting to get that buying wick on that 5-minute candle right there. We are below the 21 EMA though. So there goes through the middle of that 15-minute range. Close that. Cleaned it up a little bit more. We're coming down to this VWAP. VWAP is currently sitting right at 27,350. 350. So let's see if we break below that. Maybe I'll take a short when we get maybe to like the 995 or 990. Or I may just wait till below that pivot, to be honest.
I just feel there's like a lot of things in a short, like in a short area or like a tight area.
Yeah, I completely agree. Yeah, I'm not trying to get chopped up right in the middle of this 15-minute range. So that's why I pull my hand back.
I pull my hand back.
We're above the 15-minute middle of the range right now. We got that 21 EMA above us. So maybe we go up, test that 21, maybe reject off of it. Let's see if we reject here. We just tapped that 21. Nope. Did not reject. Trying to push. Bring this line over here. Bring that over there. Look at that 5-minute wick. Oof.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Just slowly cleaning this up. Just slowly cleaning this up right here. Only down 130 now on this account. We're breaking through my yellow line there. Let's see how we react on that yellow line. Oh, that's crazy. I made $30. All right, let's see now from right where we're at if we build us a little bull flag. So we could go target that high of the 15-minute range up there, the 27,068 level. Let's see if we get a little bull flag here with some momentum. I need that momentum for me to execute. I'm only down $100. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's very easy to get, but we gotta be patient. We can't rush it. On this 5-minute candle, we got another selling wick on up top there. Yeah, not liking that. Not liking that there. We're in this range right now. Bears are trying to flip that 5-minute candle. They want to, but hopefully these bulls step in. We got 40 seconds left pretty much on the 2-minute candle. I want this candle to stay red though. I do want the current candle to stay red. I got 20 seconds left on this candle. Want the next this candle to stay red, next candle green with momentum and push us higher. Less than 10 seconds. Bears, hold this. Hold it red. Hold it red. Cool. They did not hold it red. Man.
On 30 seconds on the candle changes, 2 and the 5.
Thank you, Steve. Come on, Betsy. Take me to the promised land. I know you want to. Looking like a nice little bull flag right here. Give me that follow through with the momentum. I'm already in. Come on. All right, I closed out. There we go. Brought this account back to green. We will gladly take that. Even if it keeps running, I'm okay with that.
Let's get a clean setup out of the top of the opening range.
Yeah, I got 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes. I'm going to be jumping off here. Let's see if we get something here at the high of this 15-minute range.
We have news at 11. So you got to remember your rule, your 4-minute rule.
I'll say till 11:04. You right.
I didn't say which time zone, Josh. Turkey.
All right, there we go. Just cleaned it up a little bit more. $150 in 2 accounts right there. I'm officially done. And that's it. All the accounts I trade today are green. And we will gladly take that.
That's W. I ended up I ended up getting stopped out twice, and it was unfortunate. So it's all good though.
Well, that is unfortunate.
What type of strategy were you using? Which tap model?
Well, no, one of them was a bear flag that I kind of shot a little too early, and then it ended up traveling up and then getting me. And then another one was, where was it? Let me go look for it. For this one, I literally just got in because I thought I saw momentum. Yeah, because I didn't have anything here. I just saw it going up, and I was like, let's get in. And then it started coming down.
Okay, where did you see the bear flag that you got stopped out on? Just curious.
Oh my goodness. Give him a little bit of grace, Dwayne.
No, I want to see what he was seeing so I can help.
What's your damn bear flag? There's no damn bear flag.
Right here. I was looking at the 30-second kind of like chart, and
30 seconds.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
and it was over here though at 10:34:30 when we had that.
I was at my 15-second chart was shooting the moon.
Now, what time? 10:34.
Yeah, 10:34:30.
And you're on a 30-second, right?
Yeah, I was on the 30-second chart. It looked more like it could be like a bear flag. And
Was that like on the standard candlesticks?
Well, I was using the standard candlesticks to mark out the flag.
Okay, hold on. Y- 10:34, right? You said?
Yep, 10:34:30 that's the candle I took my short on.
Okay. I see what you were looking at, but can I tell you something, BP?
Yeah, what's up?
Don't trade the 30 seconds. No, just being real. Trade. If you want a lower time frame, you use if you're trying to do flags, this is a flag hack. The 2-minute and the 5-minute, those are your standard. For your candlesticks, those are what you're looking at. If you want to drop it down a little bit more, drop it down to the 1 minute, right? I personally don't trade the 1 minute often because there's a lot of noise. I like less. Less is more for me when it comes to trading. Do not trade the 30 seconds because you'll see you'll see a lot of the fugazis, you know what I'm saying? A lot of minutia when that's not the actual move. If you're doing a low time frame, use the Renko bars, right? for the momentum. But you have to have the minimum 1 minute for the lowest time frame, bro.
Yeah, I think what I did wrong was I was looking for a setup and I kept looking on the different time frames until I thought I saw something.
That's why, honestly, bro.
So I was not filtering the noise. I was looking for the noise instead. That was my mistake right there.
Yeah. No, it happens to all of us, bro. But this is a teachable moment for everyone on YouTube as well.
Look, if the colonel's gonna learn, we could all learn. That's what it's teaching me.
Like right now, right on the 2 minute, I would be expecting a bull flag. I want to see a bull flag before I take another long. And you just sit there. I know it's hard. You just sit there and wait. And if you don't have that much patience, drop down to the 1 minute.
No, I'm very patient. I was just trying to find something.
No,
I was going to see about building because everyone else was taking trades and I was just sitting here like waiting.
No, I get that. I get that. But it had you drop down to a 30-second candlestick, fam.
Yeah,
I want to see you winning, bro.
Yeah,
That's all.
A good way to go about that.
I'm gonna do a 15
Oh,
second.
what happened? Well, okay. My charts froze. Let me disconnect and reconnect. Thank God I wasn't in a trade.
I kind of peeped that for a bit. It was pretty funny for a minute. I just didn't realize that you didn't know either. So I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah, no, I didn't know. I'm just sitting here talking. I'm like, huh, that's weird. My charts aren't moving. This is interesting. Tradeify. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. So my Lucid's working now. How did I only get $55? I'm confused.
Yo, Steve, you see how we came up to undo that bearish S&P at the 80s?
Yeah, that's what I'm like looking at.
I need to make $1 in this account. Make this green because of the fees.
Whoa, $1.
I need $1. We just hit highs. Oh, that's why I said that. Because those Tradeify accounts, I just got them funded today. Yeah, that's why I activate.
Okay, so 1 minute and 30 until the news.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. 1 minute and 30 till the news.
No, I'm good, baby. I don't need anything. No, we should be good. All right, baby. I'll see you when you get here. Love you too. Love. When she's calling, make sure I don't need anything. She's on her way home.
What's for lunch?
What's for lunch? I'm gonna have homemade Chipotle bowls.
Homemade what?
Chipotle bowls after my workout.
Oh, that's.
But my pre-workout meal will be a protein shake with a banana with peanut butter.
Dang.
Let's see. We build out a little bull flag right here. That's on the 1 minute. Think I just peeped that. Let me jump to the 2. Not trying to be on the 1. What's up, life? Been a minute, bro. How's Detroit treating you, bro?
About 15 seconds till the news is going.
15 seconds for the news to drop. 15 seconds for the news to drop here. I may not even trade this account. I need $1. Like, who am I? I need $1. Like, I'll take the $1 red. Like,
No, you're gonna have it green. It's gonna mess up your consistency. No, I'm just messing with you.
for $1, I will mess up my consistency. You know what I'm saying? If we get this bull flag with momentum, I'll pull the trigger. But we gotta go through my yellow line with follow through for me to take it. Done, just like that. We're done. Ha! Ha! That quick. That
Boy,
quick.
He's quick.
quick with it. What up, D? I've been well. How are you doing? I'm doing great, Life. Can I get a personal lesson? Life, don't hate me, bro, okay? The answer will be no. We are having a training on Tuesday night. You can get literally the lowest plan for the Legacy Wealth, lowest paid tier for the Legacy Wealth Society. That's $20. And I'm going over my full strategy, what I'm looking for, how everything's set up, everything like that on the Tuesday night stream at 7 p.m. Eastern time. That'll be the only way you'll get a lesson from me is if you're part of those trainings. I do not do one-on-one coaching. I do group coaching. Why? Because it works better for the students. Because someone listening in on the training may have a question that you didn't even think about, and it helps you. BP, so since I made well over the $1, I think we're officially completely green.
Oh, nice. There you go.
But let's get really green. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm done. I am freaking done. Listen, I literally pulled this account back. I was down today $1,000 in it. I pulled it back to green. That's all that matters. You know what I'm saying? We didn't lose anything today. We still made something, and we keep it pushing. And I got 2 more Tradeify accounts funded today. I see what Tradeify is doing, right? Because Lucid's was beating them down with the instant activations while you're trading, where Tradeify now does that as well. So say you get an account funded while trading, you can activate same day and trade it. So I think that's pretty cool that they're trying to compete. I love when these platforms are competing against each other.
It's like that, and then they'll have those sales.
Yep.
We gotta encourage everybody, like on the stream as well as in the community, if they come across a sale or a code for like Lucid, Tradeify, Apex, whatever the platform, like put it in so we can share it. You know what I mean? Well,
the Tradeify is LWS. That will always be the best one.
I'm not saying we know that, but
for Lucid, always use code VAULT. That's not my code. That's the Lucid, the company's code. Use code VAULT. That will always get you the best deal that they have going on. And then with Apex, always use Save Now. Always use Save Now. And that's going to get you right now 90% off. So it's crazy right now with Apex. And then with Take Profit Trader, always do no fee 40. No fee 40. They'll get 40% off every time. That's not my code. That's their code. I'm only affiliated with Tradeify currently. Working on the other ones, but I'm not. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying?
Well, they do good to work with you. You're a good man.
Corey, for Apex, it's Save Now, no space. No space on the Save Now. Lucid is code VAULT. Code VAULT for Lucid. Then Tradeify is code LWS for Legacy Wealth Society.
And what was the other one?
Say that one more time, Steve. My bad, I was reading.
Oh, that's right. You were giving all the codes. I was going to write them down. So I know LWS, of course. I know Vault for Lucid. What was the other one?
For Apex, it's Save Now, no space.
Okay. And Take Profit Trader was something like Take 40?
No fee 40. No fee 40. And Forecaster, watch yourself before you get sent to the VIP room, bro. Hopefully you're just joking. You had the laughing emoji, so I'm assuming you're joking. But those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society market makers talking, and they get to talk on my streams because they're in the highest plan for the community. So with that being said, they can talk as much as they want.
Can't hate from outside the club where you can't get in. I mean, you can't.
Jamie, I already took trades. I'm up for the day. Or Jameson, my bad. Jameson. We're already up for the day. I'm done trading. We got the traders hangout tonight. We just printed another bull flag right there as well. Okay, forecasting just checking, bro. You know what I'm saying? These are my brothers. These are my sisters in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I protect family. I protect family. You know what I'm saying?
He was talking smack.
No, he wasn't talking smack. He was joking.
Oh,
He was saying Steve needs to get his own YouTube stream.
valid.
He needs his own YouTube channel.
It'd be entertaining, no doubt.
He'll be trading with his ducks flying around. You know what I'm saying? Like. What did you take? I took multiple trades a day. I'm green across all the accounts I traded. D, you agree? Hold on, let me slide back up, bro. Hold on.
Let's slide back up.
Rob, see you tonight, brother. Enjoy your not sauna, hot tub. The micro scalping does exist on the funded and the eval, but you can't have more than 50% of your profits come from micro scalping. So you can micro scalp, you just can't have more than 50% of your profits from it. Life, you're already in the community, bro. It'll be Tuesday. I'm gonna put it in. If you joined under the founders plan, you're grandfathered into all the trainings, everything like that. If you're not part of the community, you would have to at least get the builders plan for that training on Tuesday. Can you show one of your setups you took, por favor? Oh, you lucky I'm bilingual because you saying please. I will show that quickly, and then I will be done for the day.
What do you say, por favor? You like vacation in Mexico, so you better know, please.
Well, boys, I'm gonna hop off. You guys have a good rest of your day.
Yeah,
Stay
you
safe
too,
out
man.
there.
What are you up to today?
Me?
Yeah.
Hello, bud.
My grandmother and I were heading to the lawyer to get some stuff figured out for our family cabin since my grandfather did not put that in a trust. So we might have to deal with the whole probate course type stuff. So gotta get that all figured out and make sure everything's getting handled properly. And we're getting one of our screens fixed because that storm a few weeks ago kind of ripped it, and the people are finally now getting around to it, even though they kind of forgot us on their schedule like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah.
So-
Well, I know that some of that stuff could be difficult because it just seems like it never ends, but take it easy, brother, and
Appreciate
enjoy your
that.
day.
Thank you, you guys as well. I mean, what do you guys got going on? Anything?
We're gonna be lifting. My son's coming over, like I said. We're gonna do some hypertrophy like workouts, and then we're gonna I'm just gonna chill, and then I got my one son is playing in the band concert at school, so but he's
Nice.
in the jazz band, so it's not like Three Blind Mice or anything. So it'll be
Yeah, I
actually
used
good.
to be in the jazz band. That's
So
fire.
it's good enough music to actually chill, not just it's not a chore. So
Right, you can enjoy it.
yeah.
Not hear screeching instruments. Get him off the stage.
Get him off the stage.
Everybody's golf clapping. Hey, all right, hey.
Right, let's go home.
Zoo, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, Zoo. Hopefully you're doing well at work today. We did print somewhat today. So I took right here, took another little flaggy right here to hit for a couple more dollars, and there's that flag pumping. We're gonna hit that first target there. There we go. Just tapped it. 119.75. So took a short. I took a short with the momentum. Did a couple in here when we were chopping a little bit, and this thing's still pumping a little bit. But if you want to see my entries and exits, bro, just watch the playback. They're all there. Bro, you better calm it down behind me. Was that a flag on a 2-minute? Yes, it was. So we had that one. Then we had a baby one right there.
Yeah, we keep pumping it. Before you go, tell me the next target, please.
The next target, honestly, would be yesterday's high, 135.75 or whatever.
Yeah.
But my official target would be 171.25. Symbol, this is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq life. If you haven't joined the community, it's in the description of the stream. You at least have to get the builders plan for the training on Tuesday next week. But that gets you access to my full strategy, the videos, and me and my editor, we got something coming for the vault. Yeah, I hope you guys get excited for it.
So we're always excited, Duane.
And then the training on Tuesday will be recorded and placed in the vault as well as the 2.0, because I'm actually going to record it as well onto my hard drive. So that way we're not using the Zoom playback, because I saw that looks horrible. So we're going to get that dialed in.
Yeah, I remember when you did that one and it was just completely like low res.
Yeah, horrible. But all right, gentlemen, looks like we may try building a bull flag right here above our first target. That first target was at 119.50. And I'm going to leave you with this, right? If we get above my yellow line right there, that would be the long, just so you know. Forecaster, you got to have the discipline and print the money, bro. Trust me. If you don't got the discipline, you won't print. Hold on, bud. With that being said, family, I'm officially out to 11:13. I gotta get my day moving. It's gonna be a long one, so I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, and we're gonna vibe, talking trading, talking life. Stay safe in the markets. Be blessed, family, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one, boys.
You too, everybody.
Take care, y'all.
Yeah.